So, good afternoon to you all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, morning we studied about Heron's formula, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
Can you tell Anjita what is Heron's formula? Can you tell? Yes, Anjita.
Root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c.
Wrong.
Uh,
Root of
s
yes.
s
Yes.
into
S into
s minus a
S minus A
s minus a into s minus b
into.
into s minus c.
Okay. So,
S minus
Haynes
B
Steve,
into
will
S
you
minus
tell?
C.
Okay. Haynes Steve, will you please repeat the formula, Heron's formula?
Formula.
Yes, Haynes Steve,
Yes, ma'am. S
please.
equal U.
Okay, what is Heron's formula?
S equal to A plus B
B
plus
plus
C.
C by 2. And the formula is area equal to fast. Turn on your videos. Nirubama, Vishnu, Agash. Who is Agash? Any Agash is there? Any Agash is there in your class? Yes, children? Yes. Then, Heinz, will you tell, please? Root of
S. S minus
yes.
A, S minus B, S minus C.
Root of S into that
S.
you have to tell. Okay. Simply S into S minus A, not like that. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now I'll give one question to you. Will you do it? Morning I explained one question, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do this question. Find the area of a triangle. Start writing. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle of sides second question. One minute. Second question. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 40 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 40 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 32 centimeter. Okay. Okay, what are the sides? How will you, which letter you will denote these sides? Yes, children? What are this 40?
ABC.
ABC. So, you have to write like this, ABC 40, A 40, B 24, and C equal to 32, and write the formula and apply it. Yes. Afsana, are you doing? Hadi, Nirubama, Hadidi, Savio, Emil, Pratyush, Vishnu, Melvin. Turn on your video first. All of you. Shall I do it? Are you doing? Can you do it or should I do? Are you trying? Rizwan? Rizwan is sleeping? Root of, when root comes, you have to find the prime factorization of it. Okay, I am doing. Okay, children. I'm doing it. Got the same answer. Is it like this? A equal to 40, B equal to 24 and C equal to 32. Adidev,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
these numbers for A, B and C?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, 40 plus 24 plus 32 by 2, and it is 96 by 2 equal to 48. Did you get the answer S like this? Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Now area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of 48 into 48 minus 40, 48 minus 24, and 48 minus 32 equal to root of 48 into 8 into 24 into 16. Okay, children? Did you get the answer? Yes? Like this, did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if
Yes,
you want,
ma'am.
you do the prime factorization of 48, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 8 hours 2 into 2 into 2. And 24 hours again. Or you can write 48 hours 2 into 24. Okay. Since when 24 has come, you can write 48 as 2 into 24 also. Okay, children? Now 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 minute. 1 minute. 48 hours. This. 24 hours. 8 hours this. 24 hours this. And 16 as this. Okay. So from 1 to 1, 2 has come. From here also again 2. And from here 1 more 2. From these 2, 1 more 2. These 2 again. Three, 1, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 3. How much you got answer? Answer?
42. 42.
42. 2 into 2 into 2. 8.
8.
This also 8 into 6. 64 into 6.
Ma'am, 384.
384 meters square. Centimeter square. 384 centimeters square. What happened? What happened, children? You did not get the answer properly?
No, ma'am. Here one number change.
Okay. This is the answer. Okay, children, you can do one more thing that I will show you how it is. Listen. See, here 124 has come, right? So 48 is there. So you can write that as 48 as 2 into 24. So it is easy for us to calculate. Now 16 you can write as 2 into 8. Again 1 8 is there, right? Okay. So one more 24 is there. So 124 you can take out and 1 2 and 1 8. So we'll get the same answer 384. Okay, because 48 is 24 into 2. Isn't it? Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 48. And already 124 is there. So you can write in terms of 24 also. And this is 16. Now you can take that 24 fully out if you are splitting like this. Okay, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. And in this question, shall I raise the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And I'll give the question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the area. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle. whose two sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. See children, did you get the question?
Yes.
What is given here? What is given?
Only two sides.
Only two sides, and third side is not given, but instead of that, what is given?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. So perimeter means when you add three sides, you will get a perimeter. So that missing side you will get by missing side. You will get by. Tell me.
Adding the two sides and subtracting.
And subtract from perimeter. Okay, good, good. Adding two sides and subtract from perimeter. Okay, children. So you can do it now. So add the two sides. The two sides are 8 and 11. So it is 19. Perimeter is 32. So 32 minus 19. You will get the third side. You will get the third
Ma'am,
side.
can I show the question again?
Yes, yes, yes. Rifa. Not Rifa. Hadidi. Yes, this is the question. See children, two sides are given. Two sides are given here as 8 and 11. And perimeter also given 32. Did you get the third side? Is it 13?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
13 centimeter. Now you can write it again. A equal to 8, B equal to 11, C equal to 13, S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, 8 plus 11 plus this. No need of doing like this because perimeter is given directly. So instead of doing this, you can substitute 8 plus 11 plus 3. Perimeter is given directly. That is, perimeter is 32 by 2 is 16. No need of adding A plus B plus C because perimeter is given already. Did you understand? Listen, children, did you get like this? 16 into 8 into 5 into 3? Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So, if you want, you write that 16 as 8 into 2. Did you get any pair? Any pair?
8.
8. Or you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like that. No problem. Okay. So, for reducing the step, here 8 you can take out, but other numbers you cannot take out. Now pairs are there remaining. So inside the square root it is 2 into 5 into 3. And it is 8 into root of 30. 8 root 30 centimeter square. 8 root 30 centimeter square. Okay, children, in this chapter, application of Heron's formula in finding the area of the quadrilateral is taken. That means it is deleted. It is deleted. Only to find this and some more questions. Only that, children. Now, one topic is deleted from this chapter. Okay, children, shall I give the next question? Are you still doing it? Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
8 root 30. Did you understand how it that root 30 came? Because we can take out only 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Okay, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand? If you want, I will explain it again. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
of
ma'am.
course. All are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Then shall I give you one more question? And I'll remaining questions I'll send as homework. Okay, children, one more question. Question is, I think it is the third question. The sides of a triangular park, triangular park are in the ratio 3:5:7, and its perimeter is 300 meter. Perimeter is 300 meter. Find this area. Find this area. Okay, children. Here the sides are not given, but see this, its ratio is given and the perimeter is given. See, children, when the ratio is given, how to find the sides, you know? How to find the sides?
And can you show the question one more time?
Yes,
3x
I'll show the
plus-
question. Okay, the ratio is given there and you have to find the sides. So how will you find?
By adding the ratio.
No, but instead
With
of 3, 5 and 7, you have to take one Clue is there, one clue. How to find?
3x
Sides.
5x plus
Yes, yes.
7x.
Sides we can take as 3x, 5x and 7x. And you know the sum of this, that means perimeter is given. The sum of this is given. Perimeter, that is 3x plus 5x plus 7x is given as 300. Okay, children, it is 300. Now you can add this. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 7 is 15x equal to 300. And x equal to 300 by 15. 300 by 15. So you will get 20. X is 20. So one side a equal to 3x equal to 3 into 20 equal to 60 meter. And b equal to 5x equal to 5 into 20. And it is 100 meter. And c equal to 7x equal to 7 into 20. That is 140 meter. So you got 3 sides. Is it clear now? 3 sides you got by substituting as 3x, 4x and 5x. Now you can continue with our Heron's formula. Continue with our Heron's formula. And area is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And perimeter is s. Perimeter by 2 is s. Perimeter is 300. So s is 300 by 2. And it is 150. Clear? Don't forget to do this. Okay, children. Now root of 150 into 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100 and 150 minus 140. And you will get the answer. Okay, children. It is 150 into 150 minus 60 is 90 into 50 into 10 into 10. No need of factorizing these so small factors. You can take 150 as 3 into 50 and 90 as 3 into 30 into 3 and again 50 and yes, 10 you can write like that. If you are factorizing this in small single and simple factors, it will take too much. It will be a long steps. Instead of that, you can write like this: 150, 90, and 50, 10. Now, 250 is there. Take out. 2 3s are there. That also you take out. Inside the root, it is 30 and 10. See, children, I will explain it once again. See, children, see this. See, 150 I wrote as 3 into 50. Did you understand that? All of you? Answer me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And 90 I wrote as 30 into 3. That much you understood? Wait,
Yes.
wait. And 50 and 10 I wrote like that itself. And from these 250, 150 I took out. Okay. Then there are 2 3s. That also I took. From one pair I took 3 out. Then inside the square root, it came 30 and 10. Okay. Again, we can see some common factors. 30 and 10. 30 we can split and write as 3 into 10. Okay, children? So you got 2 pair of 10. So one pair I took out. Then only 1 3 is remaining. So 1500 root 3. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
children, did
ma'am.
you understand? Savio, Hadidi, Melvin? Oh, should I explain it once again? I'll erase the board and explain. See, children? See. Our question in this we have 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So when I took first, I did not count, I did not see that 10. So you can also do like this, because later when you find that 10 is a common factor, you can factorize it again. Okay, children. Now what I did is 150 I splitted as, because 150 is there, right? 150 is there. So 150 I splitted as 3 into 50 into 150 is already there. The 90 I can split as 3 into 3 into 10. Correct? Because 110 is already there. 110 is already there. So 90 as 3 into 3 into 10. Clear? Now it is clear to you. Now 50 is common. One pair, so 50 take out. Then 1 3 is common and 110 also common. One pair, and inside the root only 3 is remaining. Inside the root only 3 is remaining. So it is okay, children. So 50 into 10 into 3 and root 3. So you will be getting 1500 root 3 meter square. If you want, I will explain it once again. Children, did you understand it? Melvin? Melvin, did you understand? Where is Melvin? Nirubama?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you split it 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into like that, it will take a lot of time. That is why we are splitting according to the numbers given in the square root. Okay, children. Bhadra, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you want, you can split in prime factorization small primes. But if it's small primes, it will take too much time. That is why I splitted 150 as 3 into 50. Clear? 90 as 3 into 30. And again, if you want to split 30 as 3 into 10. Clear? Okay. Look at the other numbers given here. See, children? How we are splitting? Look at the numbers given here. It is 10 here, 10. See, children, it is 10. 10. So, split 90 as 9 into 10 or 3 into 3 into 10. And when 50 comes, you can split 150 as 3 into 50. I hope you understood now. Okay, children? Shall I leave now? It is time to wind up. I'll send the homework to you. Okay? It is Heron's formula. Okay, children, do you understand what is Heron's formula?
Yes.
Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So, thank you very much. Study well. Okay.